Well, once again, let's talk about Bitcoin and Chinese biggest car company partnering with Pi. This is going to be the biggest partnership for Bitcoin. Wow. Chinese biggest car company partners with Pi Network Coin. Okay. Now, this is good news because Pi coin, a lot of people have been waiting for Pi coin, and now some big companies in China are also getting interest on Pi coin. Okay, according to Pi developers and Pi News, they actually said that partnership that will be coming in for Pi network before they fully launch mainnet is going to be amazing. It's going to shock the world. Okay, now car sales company cooperates with Marketplace, one of the biggest largest car dealers in China, cooperate with Marketplace Piaxin Shop Mall. Okay, Piaxin Shop Mall in pre-sale with Bitcoin. That is it. One of the largest, let me read again, one of the largest car dealers in China cooperates with Marketplace Piaxin Shop Mall in pre-sale with Bitcoin. Wow. Well, you might be asking yourself, how will the biggest car dealers in China decide to accept Bitcoin? Some people believe that the truth is maybe some companies are using this to get more famous, more popular around the world. Some people are knowing that millions of people are using this Pi, and even those that are not using it have also been following the news about Pi. So some company believes once the news about them trying to accept Bitcoin, you see many users will start coming in. People will get to know them. It will be a free adverts globally. People will want to blogs, YouTubers talking about it, mentioning the companies, and they'll be getting more new customers, getting more popularity. Maybe that is all the strategy. But here, I believe if truly they really want to accept Bitcoin, it's going to be one of the biggest partnership for Bitcoin. Well, let's wait and see till then. Let's wait till Bitcoin is launched. And I believe that yes, this is going to be one of the biggest crypto coins in history. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.